What's up, Dub Chasers? Today we're going to be installing the nice JB4. I bought this used off of Facebook Marketplace. I got this bad boy for $350 with the Bluetooth module. Hoping it works. We haven't been able to test it, so maybe I got scammed for $350, but who knows? It's got all the connectors, everything's good to go, so we're going to try to install it.
All right, Tyler, what's the first step? What are you doing?
We're undoing the battery just to avoid shortages, because you know shorts aren't fun, but I mean, if it happens, right?
No!
That's why we're not, we're going to avoid doing that. And then so, I got to get that little bolt out down here too, that locks it in place. Need a little long boy for that though. Hey Varnes, do you have like a long boy to get down in here and like to get my battery locker off, you know?
You shouldn't need to get battery locker off.
I've seen videos people remove their battery to make it easier to feed the little cable through the firewall.
No, we didn't have to do that.
Wait, oh wait, you already installed one. I forgot. Okay. You really want to try that?
Oh, and by the way, we're also doing the throttle body pipe on the Mk6. We're being efficient.
Yeah, we're trying to be. I gotta find out.
I know.
What
I know.
You have to like how I'm gonna feed this through. Here. It's gonna be real hard to fit two people in here, but like,
We can get close.
we gotta try to get it through here. I think I'm gonna try to pop just this grommet out or something. I don't know what you're actually supposed to do. Maybe like I'm gonna stab through that little thing in here. I don't know if you can see that, but
Yeah.
there's like a little nipple. I'm gonna probably stab through that and just feed my cable in. So I gotta find something sharp to stab it with.
Gotcha.
I'm pretty sure when me and Andrew did, we did it with
clothes
the
hanger.
So,
Weird, how'd that come in? Let's see.
What'd he say? What'd he find?
A clothes hanger.
How
Oh, look at
convenient.
How convenient. It's weird that was in my car. So, we were just able to feed the little cable through. We used a clothes hanger, as you saw previously. I'll show you over here. We didn't end up using that little grommet. I stabbed through it a couple times. Probably shouldn't have done that, but we ended up here. If you look in here, there is a little grommet that I just popped the entire thing out. It's right here. It looks like this. I used this little pick tool just to pop it off, ripped this little firewall out, because if we have a fire, we'll die anyway. So we're gonna take our clothes hanger back out, and we're just gonna seal this bit back up. Hopefully. All right, get this shit out of my way. Oh yeah, look at that, boys. Oh wait, we need a little more length. How's that pull again? Oh, look at that. And we'll just take this and we're gonna end up zip tying it up like that. All right, cool. So now on to the next part. Whoa. All right, Varnes, you got zip ties? All right, so now we're gonna do this little wire tap. As you might know, JB4, you have to do a little wire tap. I'm gonna pull the wire really far back like that, and then it's this little red wire, if I'm not mistaken. And so you take this, you put that like that.
Hold on. Let me. You're good, Gwen.
Are you sure?
So you take that, you put that like that, and you just
Cuts the red wire.
screw this bad boy in.
Are you
It
sure?
splices into it. So now our Bluetooth module is connected. Easy as that.
Are you sure?
And then, you know, like people probably care about how their engine bay looks and all yada yada. But me, I just want this install done so I can see if the part works, you know? You know how it'd be. Take this, we're gonna plug this in here. Yeah, something like yay, okay? And we got all these extra cables now. Where do these go? We'll have to find it out, huh? All right, I know this is one of the ones that you unplugged down here. Whoa, almost lost the paint job.
Right there.
Sorry, I'm a little bit more of a spazzy mechanic than Vince, because I just kind of go quick.
Right there.
Nope. The other
Oh my god, how many fucking clamps are
I don't know how to undo these things. They have like little things, and I don't got fingers like that, bro, you know? You know how it is.
I ain't got fingers like that. There it is.
I can't undo these.
That's a
Look,
clip.
clips, that's what it is. Oh, we got one. Now we need one more.
Oh, we got one.
There it is. Holy shit, we've done it. Alright. So now, gotta figure out which ones go where, right?
You should have letters on them, right?
Yeah, you got numbers, but like,
Yeah, so look it up online from JB's website. Because you're literally going to screw it up.
No, you won't. I don't know if I was supposed to unplug that one. I know this one gets unplugged, because that's why I removed my engine cover, which we didn't show in video. But that.
Oh yeah, because we really needed that in the video.
Step 1, remove your engine cover.
There, thanks, Matthew.
Yep, I got you.
Alright,
Step 1, die.
wait, hold up. Wait a second.
Wait a
It was
sec.
unplanned.
I should have worn mine too.
Oh my god, hell yeah.
Okay, so wait, this one goes in here. That's what that one does.
Are you
Yeah.
sure?
Yup. 110%, my guy.
110%. There it is.
So that goes like that. Oh wait, actually I kind of want to make this look a tiny bit nicer. Hang on, let's see.
Do you really just have to like connect all these and then it's...
Yeah, and then it's done.
Oh shit. I thought Vincent said it was gonna be hard.
Well, connecting them is hard.
Tyler's more of a guess and check kind of guy.
Yeah, and that's not good in this case.
Vince is a do it once and do it right.
Nope. Wait. Yeah, you pop this out, right? You should be able to. There's freaking cable, dude. Because I want to tuck it under this, because, like, it kind of looks stupid right now, am I right? So,
You just said you didn't care.
well, now I care a little bit.
Interesting.
Hey,
Very.
Vance. Can I get a help from the May mechanic real quick?
No can do.
Motherfucker.
Matthew's the one that pays me.
Tyler, why don't you just tuck it in right here?
Is he actually paid?
Well, like, I
Not
want
yet.
to, but, like, I want to feed this
But when
under,
he was
so
clutch,
at least
he
it looks...
came at least a little bit.
Why don't you get it operational first, and then
Yeah, instead of
if
doing
it
all this and
works,
screw it
then
up.
you can make it look tidy.
Oh, look at you guys being smart and logical. You probably went to school too, didn't you?
Yes.
Yeah.
Funny. Okay. Hang on. We're going to watch another YouTube tutorial to figure out how to do this to make this YouTube tutorial. We'll be back.
We'll be back.
So after watching another YouTube tutorial, I found out that you see these numbers, 13579.
Hold up, wait.
Oh, hold up. Those little numbers right there, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13,
Sure.
actually go in here, down where I unplugged that cable. So I go like this. Ready? You want to get the action shot of me plugging that in? Ready?
Oh,
Yeah.
that was a crisp noise.
Yeah, it was. All right. And then we take, I don't even think this one needed to be unplugged, so we're just going to pop that back in. And then this goes like cheese and rice. Oh, wait. Oh, yeah. Those go in each other, right? Yeah, it looks like it. Oh, I might be plugging it the wrong way. That's probably why it doesn't work. Dude, what the fuck? Hey, stop. This sucks. This install sucks.
Which ones are you even doing?
You're plugging stuff in. This does not suck.
These aren't even
You're just,
hard.
You're just impatient.
That's probably the easiest install you could ever possibly do.
False.
That's easier than doing a cold air intake.
False.
Not false at all.
What are you
So
about
now,
to
hang on. We have to watch a YouTube tutorial to find out where these go. We'll be back.
Yo. Is that guy a phony? Is he watching a YouTube
Definitely a
video?
phony. That's big phony moves right there.
Excuse me, sir, mechanic. Are you watching a video? How to do this to make a how-to video?
No.
Pushing it on so much,
I'm
I
not.
ended up turning it in.
All right, so we ended up getting that little plug in there. We didn't really get any video of it because, you know, our cameraman had to take over. I couldn't get it.
Yes, I know.
But actually, I can't start the car yet because I got to connect the battery. So let's do that real quick. Forgot about that step. Okay, so we connect. I think you connect the positive first usually, if I'm not mistaken. I don't know where the. Oh, here it is.
Even though you just connected the negative first.
No, that's the positive. Oh, yeah, no, you're right. Oops. It don't matter.
Vincent's like having sex.
Told you.
That's why you connect the positive first.
Yeah, wait, you connect the negative first?
Yeah.
Oops. I told you we're gonna get some shorts. Like I said, I don't lie to the camera, you know. All right. Sheesh. All right.
How come you're moving that so
Because I'm just trying not to.
Initial start of the JB4 install. Let's see if she explodes.
really close.
You ready? Our dash should light up like a Christmas tree. Let's see. Oh, we did it. When the dash lights up like that, I think that means you did a good job. Oh, hang on. No, don't play music. Copyright. Okay, we're good. Oh, don't look at that. It's just our install video. Okay. So then, we did get the Bluetooth module, as you might have known, like I said earlier. So we'll go into JB4 mobile.
Freezing cold. I have this.
We're gonna connect. Please register. Social. Uh oh. I gotta register. Log in. Register. Hang on. Pause. Didn't unlink his account, so now I gotta wait 24 hours for an unlock request.
Really? Ooh.
Well, fuck. I'm gonna message his ass. Hopefully his bitch ass is still up. It's only 10. Hey, you never unlinked the account. Are you able to do that right now? I can't even fuck with my car right now. I think it's running like the stock.
It does. If anything happens, it switches to map 0.
Yeah, oh, he said, yeah, let me see how.
Oh my
It's
God.
in the JB4 app.
You responded so quick. Come on.
Well, this, yeah, he's a loser. Of course he's gonna respond quick. He drives a GTI.
We all know people that drive these cars don't have any self-respect
You already
or
know.
respect of others. Oh my God, what are you doing to that thing?
These cars! Because it was just in the way this whole time.
I think Andrew might have engineered it so it would work, but looks like your engineering skills are a bit better.
How about that one?
Alright, so as you can tell, we're all connected now. So, yes. Alright, so I got the password from the dude. Oh, we're on map 6 right now. We're on the custom map. I don't know what that is. Let's go give her a rip.
Oh,
Here, you want to hop in real
yeah.
quick?
All right.
Don't climb over.
Alright. Let's get out of his neighborhood at least. Holy fuck, it's way more torquey. Holy shit, yeah. Alright. Okay, yeah, it's definitely more torquey, I'll tell you that. Let's disable traction control. Oh my god, dude. Way more torquey. Holy fuck, I can't even get traction because it's wet out.
Yeah. Boost cut.
It's a boost cut.
This ain't it.
Oh,
It's
this
a
ain't it, Chief.
stoplight.
Yeah, that's right. 18 pounds of boost is kind of weak though.
No, you were peaking at 23.
Oh, was I?
Yeah.
Oh boy. Holy shit. Alright. I wonder if we can like user adjustment. Yeah, it peaks at 24. Let's see what we can do. Let's change it to 26 on 45 minutes. Writing data.
You can just change it on the fly like that on your phone?
Why do you think I wanted the Bluetooth kit? She's way faster. Way faster. Oh my God. I never used to lose traction like that. I mean, I'd grip. Okay, nice. Nice.
You like it?
Yes.
You
I'm
approve?
a big fan. I approve. For not voiding my warranty, I approve.
That's so cool you can change it on the fly like that. Like with COBB, you have to flash and everything.
I kind of want to just give it a rev real quick. Let's see. Doesn't really move
Nothing
much.
really different.
All right, well, that was the ghetto install of the Ghetto JB4. I hope you guys enjoyed. Thanks for watching.